Hey guys, Sahil here from Android for Life, and today I'm gonna unbox and take a quick overlook on the Xiaomi Mi4. So let's begin. So, removing the top, this is the white color 16GB variant. Well, Xiaomi is also gonna release 64GB variant after some weeks. Over here, we have our USB cable and travel adapter. And there is some paperwork too, and last but not the least, the SIM card removing pin. So I'm gonna put everything aside and take a look on the phone itself. This is the phone. Well, it is really comfortable to hold it one hand because it seems to be smaller than Mi3. So I'm gonna boot it up, but I also wanna take a quick overlook on the physical aspects of the device. On the left side of the phone, we have the SIM card slot. On the top, we have headphone jack and IR blaster, about which I'm gonna talk about in my in-depth review. On the right hand side, we have the volume up and down and power key. At bottom, we have USB slot and speaker. Well, on the back, we have camera, flash and Mi logo. Well, I'm gonna put this side to side to Mi3, and as you can see, it is smaller than Mi3, although both of them have same screen size. But it is a little bit thicker than Mi3. But anyway, let's set up the phone. So there it is. It is MIUI version 6 based on KitKat, but it is material design just like the Android Lollipop. So I'm gonna test the phone a lot for the full review. Let me know in the comment section below any specific thing you would like to see in the full review. Well, right in the settings, as you can see, it says MIUI version 6 and Android KitKat 4.4.4. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you like this quick unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.